According to Webster's, a conqueror is someone who overcomes by mental or moral power, who gains victory over circumstance by overcoming obstacles or opposition. A mindset is a fixed mental attitude or disposition that predetermines a person's responses to and interpretations of situations. A conqueror's mindset is therefore a fixed positive mental attitude towards life that ignites a power within to overcome obstacles and gain victory in the midst of challenges or perceived obstacles. A popular Native American fable describes two wolves that are battling one another within our hearts. One wolf is filled with anger, hatred, fear, jealousy, comparison, doubt. I call it the gray wolf. The wolf that is filled with love, joy, gentleness, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, inspiration, creativity. A conqueror's mindset is referred to as the white wolf. And these wolves are battling all day long within our hearts, within our minds. The fable unfolds the conversation between the Native American Indian chief and his grandson. The Native American Indian chief shares this battle between these wolves that's constantly going on all day long. And his grandson looks at him and says, "Which wolf wins, Grandpa?" To which he replies to his grandson, "The one you feed." Breathe in through your nose and release. As you move into the next 24 hours, I invite you to examine which wolf you are feeding in your mind. Is it the wolf that feeds on fear, doubt, worry, anxiety, jealousy, comparison, hatred, anger? Or is it the wolf that feeds on confidence, joy, love, kindness, inspiration, creativity? Your choice of attention that you give to each thought as it comes out of the gate of your mind will determine which wolf wins at the end of the day.